Wojciech Gerson was born July 1, 1831, died February 25, 1901, was a Polish painter, educator, architect and art critic who was one of the foremost representatives of the Polish school of realism during the foreign partitions of Poland. He served as long-time professor of the School of Fine Arts in Warsaw, and taught future luminaries of Polish neo-romanticism including Józef Chełmoński, Leon Wyczółkowski, Władysław Podkowiński, Józef Pankiewicz and Anna Bilińska Bohdanowiczowa among others. He also wrote art reviews and published a book of anatomy for the artists. A large number of his paintings were stolen by Nazi Germany in World War II, and never recovered.